Hi guys, welcome to today's video. It's me, John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets. In this video we are going to discuss the importance of daily closes. So you can see here I have a currency heat map, and I'm just going to highlight Euro Swiss because Euro Swiss has really outperformed expectations this week. But at the start of every week, basically I'll show you the strength and weakness table. I then basically paired with the currency pairs, then look to see if I should be looking for buying opportunities, selling opportunities, or looking for or if the markets are in a range essentially. And Euro Swiss was on the radar because Euro had been holding strength. It wasn't the strongest currency of last week. It didn't really change on the strength and weakness chart, but Swissy was losing value. So if a currency is weaker, I'll grade that as a potential area of interest. So I wanted to look to buy Euro Swiss. So to me, it was an opportunity to start looking at. And then what I look for is the daily closes, okay? So you can see here on Monday, I've coloured this square in blue. That tells me that the market closed bullish on Monday, okay? So then what I look to do the next day is look for buying opportunities, okay? So if I go into this Euro Swiss chart, let's just build in a bit of a bigger picture. So price came into this area last week. This previous low, rejected, gave us a false breakout. Now on Monday, which is this candlestick here, price rallied and took out the high there. Now, when that happens, the market is technically forming a higher high. Okay, so we're starting to find that trend again. So the next step for me is once I see that daily close there, is to go down into a 4-hour time frame and look for support and resistance levels. So if I drop down into a 4-hour, we can see there's one or two support or resistance levels. So you've got, first of all, I like to look at the previous breakout area, which is just through here. Okay, and then secondly, I like to find a little bit of an area that's just slightly higher up. So somewhere like here, okay. So as soon as price gets back into this level, this is where we can look to execute positions, and we talk about looking for those changing in cycle patterns. So if I jump down into the 15-minute time frame and just go all the way back here, we get one of those patterns. Now it's not the cleanest, but what we look for is double bottom patterns. We look for inverse head and shoulders patterns, and we look for changes in cycle where the market may rally up, do something like this, or break a previous high. What we've got here is the market breaks a previous high. So the market drops down, rallies up, takes out, forms a new high. That to me is an opportunity to get long. So we would have got long in here, stop losses below the low, look for the market to rally. But the importance of this is we do a process of looking at our daily time frame and wait for those daily closes to be in our favor. So the next day, Tuesday, we had another bullish daily close. So I do the exact same process. I go down into that 4-hour. I identify an area of support and resistance, which is this high just through here. Okay, on the 4-hour. Next step for me is diving into that 15-minute and seeing if we get another opportunity. And once again, the market comes up, rallies. What do we get? A change in cycle. Go long, stops below the lows, target up at these highs through here. Okay, so all I'm trying to say is the daily chart is really super important. It can be very easy for us to get dragged into looking at the strategy on its own, whereas what you want to do is know when a strategy is more effective. So I know that my strategy is more trend based, especially when I'm looking for lower time frame swing trading opportunities. So it's more of a trend based situation. So I need to find the trends. I find the trends by identifying strength and weakness in markets, and then I find the trend by watching the daily closes. And you can see here we get that nice bullish daily close breakout, forming a new high. The next step then is to watch the 4-hour trend, and we can see the 4-hour really making nice higher highs and higher lows. So all I want to do is try and buy the dips, okay? So just consider that when you look at your trading. Whenever you're looking to buy into a position, think about where your strategy is best placed. How can you make your strategy more efficient? Is it a trend-based strategy? Is it a range-based strategy? How can you make that performance a little bit better? So in this video, I just wanted to cover Euro Swiss and just say, take a little look at the daily closes and how you can best make your strategy better. Okay, so thanks for watching this video update. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you tomorrow.